And don't forget to subscribe to Bagoday Crochet. You can subscribe by clicking this red button right here. And don't forget to click this little bell right there next to it. That way you'll always be notified whenever Bagoday puts on a new video. Hi everybody, this is Crystal. So today I got some boxes in the mail. A lot. And I'm just going to kind of show you what I got for those of you that like to watch yarn haul videos. I'll just quickly kind of go over it because some of there's a lot. So I got some from Hobium, Michael's, Lionbrand today. So first off, I'll just start with the easy one. I got 2 big boxes from Hobium, right? 2 big boxes in a bag. Now in the big boxes are all the same thing. Okay, it's a bunch of cat and dogs kits. You guys have probably seen me opening them before. They got the skein of yarn and the pattern inside, and it comes with like a little puppy that you can sew on, or it comes with a kitty. So I kind of, because these are only $4 at Hobium on clearance, and I think they had a couple new colors. They had some blue kitty, all blue kitties. I don't know where they're at. And some all blue puppies. And I always like to try to get all the colors. And then I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to get a bunch more because I like to use them in my giveaways. So, yeah. So, I have 2 boxes this size. And they're all full of puppies and kitties. So, that's what's in the big boxes from Hobium. I know it's excessive, but like I said, those are really cute additions to add to all my giveaways that I had. So that's why I bought so many. Plus they're only $4 at Hobium on clearance. Now I did get a few other things from Hobium. I got some of their Yarn Art Jean Crazy Yarn. It's like a cotton acrylic blend, I believe. I've had this before. I don't have this particular color, but I like it. It says it's a 2-weight, but it's like between a 3 and a 4. But I got that. There's 2 tin balls in there. I'm not quite sure the price, but. And then I got some of this, which I've never had before. So let me try. Oh, it's nice and soft. Let's see. This is their Keratopu Baby Star, 100 grams, 300 meters. It's 100% acrylic, 328 yards. It says it is a, I don't know what size of yarn it says it is, but I consider that a 3-weight yarn. It's a nice soft acrylic too. I like it. They have lots of pretty colors in it too. Yeah, that's definitely a light 3-weight. Yeah, it's probably about a normal 3-weight. Ain't that pretty? Everybody wonders why I smell my yarns. I like to smell the wool. I like to smell acrylic. I like to smell cotton. I'm weird. That in general, just to put it easy, I'm just weird. That's why I do it. I'm a weirdo. And then I got some Keratopu Angora natural prints, which I had this before too. This was a color that had been sold out for a while, and they just now got it in. But if you're not familiar with that, it's a lightweight yarn. If you like lightweight yarns, now this is 10% wool, 10% mohair, 80% acrylic. Machine wash, lay flat to dry, 580 yards per one of these skeins. And even though it's Angora natural prints, even though it does have wool and stuff in it, mohair or whatever, it's not extremely itchy. No, it's not really itchy at all. I would wear a scarf out of it. It's pretty though. I like it. But it is a lightweight. It's like a 2-weight yarn. So I got some of that from Hobium. And you guys, if you've ever watched me unbox yarn before, you know that I love this yarn. I have it here already. I just bought it in a different color, so This is their Etrofil baby cashmere, and is it ever soft? I love this yarn. It's probably one of my favorites that Hobium sells. It's a four. I think it says it's a 3-weight on their site, but I think it's definitely more of a 4. And it's machine wash, lay flat to dry, 225 meters. So I don't know if that's 235, 40 yards. 90. It's a cashmere polymade blend. 90 polymade, 10% cashmere. It's super, super soft. I love this yarn. Those colors are really pretty too, aren't they? Yes, yes. Yes, I'm going to smash it to my face. Give it a big smell of the cashmere. Oh, it's so soft. Love it. I'm trying to collect all the colors of these, but it isn't really that cheap, so I just have to do it a little bit at a time. But it is cheaper if you buy it in a 5-pack. I can tell you that much. And then one more thing I got from Hobium is I have some of this here already, but this color was sold out forever. I was kind of waiting for it to come back in. This is their Gazelle Viking yarn. It's a really nice yarn too. It's 70 acrylic, 30% wool. It's nice and soft though. It's not itchy at all. Or for having wool in it, it's nice. You could wear a scarf. I plan on making a cowl out of this. It says it's a super bulky 6, and I think that I would agree with that. It's on a thinner side of a bulky 6, maybe a really thick 5, but it's hand wash. No, you can machine wash, don't dry. 109 yards. Oh, now that smells like wool. I love the smell of wool. I wanted this color really bad. It's like the copper orange. They were sold out of it for, I mean, when they first got this in, this one sold out, and it's been sold out forever. And they finally got it back in, and I was really excited because I liked the color. It was my favorite color of all of them that they had, but it just was sold out for so long. I check I'm really weird because Hobium, I really love Hobium. They're one of my favorite yarn companies, right? And they sell out of yarn so fast. And I check them daily to see if they get the new colors in that I want. So they had that one in, and this one actually just recently got back in, this Etrofil. So yeah, so that's all I really got from Hobium this time. It was just really kind of a bunch of those little pets, you know. So I'm going to show you what I got from Michaels and Lionbrand real quick. Let me just go ahead and open them up. I know what's in here. It's the Lionbrand Crayola cakes. I got one of every color to do a review on, and I'm going to do that after I get done with this video. But let's check them out. They got really pretty colors in this. So this one's called Inchworm, but they are a medium 4-weight, 177 yards of 100% acrylic. Colors are really pretty. I like the way the packaging looks like a crayon. It's the acrylics. It's a softer acrylic. It kind of reminds me of Red Heart with Love, maybe. What's this one? Mango Tango. See, they got the stripes in them. Pretty. Ooh, Tickle Me Pink. Like I said, I just got one of each of the colors. I have one of these here already. I don't know how I ended up with 2 of them, but I bought one to review, and then I decided to buy them all, and I forgot that I bought that one already, and I just went ahead and put them all on my cart again. But they were all 40% off at the time, so I got them for really cheap, or pretty cheap. This one is the Aqua Marine. Is that pretty? I really thought this one, I think, was going to be my favorite. The Maximum Red. Ooh, that's pretty. Timberwolf. Yeah, it might be a little. It's similar to Red Heart with Love, maybe a little softer. You know, you could definitely make like a sweater out of it, cowl out of it, you know, hat out of it, scarf out of it. I wouldn't mind, you know, I'd make Evelyn anything to wear out of it. Soft enough for that. Royal purple. Pretty. Ooh, I like this one too. Dandelion. That's pretty for being yellow. I like yellow, but certain yellows attract me more than others. I think that one's pretty. That looks exactly like a dandelion, that dark color. Love it. What's this one's? Beautiful. Oh, beautiful. It's interesting. It's pretty. And then they had one more color available. That is weird. Look what was in my box. A pen with the cap off of it. This came in the box. Look, it's the same color ink that they marked off the checked off. So the person that I never got a it's never happened before. That's funny. Okay, so this one's called Sepia, I think. Sepia? I don't know how you say it, but S-E-P-I-A. Sepia. I can't pronounce anything. Can't spell anything. But hey, I can crochet. That's about it. That is so funny that they left their ink pen in the box. So that's what I got from Lionbrand. I got one of each color of these for the review. So, which I'm going to do after this video. You guys can watch that if you want. 6, 7, 8, 9. So they got 10 colors of those. And then I got something from Michael's down here. Let's see what we got here. Sometimes, you know, companies ship in separate boxes, so I don't really know what's going to be in each box. Huh. Okay, now these are adorable. I remember seeing them on their site, and they are on sale at the time. I don't remember what I paid for them, but these are called Mindering Mini by Loops and Threads. Mini Serpentine. Isn't that the cutest thing you've ever seen? Oh, and they're soft. Let's see what they are. Medium weight number 4. Machine wash and dry. Machine wash on cold, tumble dry on low, on gentle cycle. 99% or 90% acrylic, 10% nylon. It's pretty. 243 yards, and that is total, I guess. So about 60 yards a piece. That's super cool. They're like, it came, I seen these, and they're color coordinated for you in mini hanks. Even though, you know, I don't like Pantone because it's separate, but this has a lot more yardage than Pantone, than Caron Pantone does. Well, not a lot more, but more. Plus it was cheaper, if I believe. I don't know, I can't remember, but maybe it's the cool factor of it being in hanks. That's neat. I like that. So I got that one. It was called this blue. They had, I think, 5 different colors. Oh, that one's pretty too. Jewel. Look at those colors together. So pretty. And then they have, this one is pastels. You can see some of them have, look at the color differences in them. They're like shiny looking a little bit too. They're so stinking cute. And then we got, this one is coral. Oh, that one's pretty too. They're supposed to be put together to where color coordinated together. I guess it's similar to Pantone, but just hank form and more yardage, and it's Loops and Threads brand. I don't know. But it's a acrylic nylon blend. I think there was one more here. Yeah. This one is bright. Isn't that pretty? Those are so stinking cute. So that was my haul. Oh, I got this too. I forgot to show you this. This stuff is awesome if you've never seen it at Michael's. I really like it. It's called Waterford. It's by Loops and Threads. I think I got more than one of these. I think they might have, I know I got some orange too. I think they shipped in 2 separate boxes. So you know how they come from different warehouses sometimes. So this is all I got today. This stuff is so pretty. It's soft. I love bulky 5 yarn. It's my favorite. It's called Waterford Big. Now they don't sell it in stores. You can only buy it online. It's 243 yards of bulky 5. 80% acrylic, 20% alpaca. But it's not itchy at all. It's soft. I like it. I already have some of this here, and I knew that I would like it. But it is hand wash and lay flat to dry. Now I have this already. Here, just a second. So I already have it here already. So I just got the green today. I thought I ordered 2, but maybe it's going to be in the other box. I don't know. But I have this brown, which my intentions are, I got this several months ago to make a poncho for this fall out of it. Oh, it's going to be so pretty. This one's called Licorice. Ain't that pretty? And you know I love brown and earth tones. In this blue, I got this blue with it, which is so pretty. It's just called Teal. And then I got this purple one here. Couple of these. It's really pretty too. It's called Plum. Oh, that's so pretty. I think if you like bulky yarns, you would really like this one. Oh, so pretty. Anyways, I said I ordered a really pretty orange. It didn't come in this box, and I plan on making a fall shawl with that one. And they do have another color that I don't have, I think, called Silver. I don't have that one yet, but I'll probably get it sometime. I like to collect them, but anyways, that's my yarn haul. Now, so that's it. That's my yarn haul. Now, remember to look for the review of, I'm going to give these away in a giveaway sometime. I got those for a giveaway. Watch for the review for these later on today. Hopefully I can get that on. But that's it. It wasn't like, it was a lot of boxes, but most of it was a bunch of puppies and kitties. So, but I hope you enjoyed my haul. I really like these. I got 2 sets of each one, so I could put one set of each in a giveaway and one I was going to keep. But that's it. I'll quit blabbing. It was super fun opening it with you guys. I hope you guys liked it all. I thought it was cool, but like I said, those big boxes mostly just had a bunch of puppies and kitties. And, all right, I'll quit talking. I'm just rambling on. Thanks, everybody, for watching me. I really appreciate you guys watching my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.